Hey guys, welcome back again with another new video tutorial. In this video I will tell you about how you can enable the easy touch or assistive ball in your device Vivo T1 Pro. So if in this device you want to enable the feature of the assistive ball, or you can say the easy touch feature, you can easily do it by the method that I will show you. Before starting, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe it and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn about the easy touch and assistive ball feature in your device. Let's watch the video and learn about it.